Dr. Morepen offers a wide range of fully automatic blood pressure monitors to help you monitor BP quickly and accurately at home. Dr. Morepen BP monitor model BP15 includes a BP monitor, a pressure cuff, 4 AA alkaline batteries, an instruction manual. Open the battery compartment on the back of the device. Insert the batteries correctly and close the compartment. Long press the user button to enter settings mode and follow the instructions in the manual to set the date, time and user details. Rest for at least 5 minutes before using the BP monitor. Insert the cuff connector into the socket on the left side of the monitor and wrap the cuff around your bare arm, 1 or 2 centimeters above your elbow joint, with the Velcro facing outwards. Sit or lie down straight with your arm resting on a flat surface, facing upwards and the cuff leveled with your heart. Press the start or stop button to start the measurement and remain still and silent during the process. On completion of the measurement, the monitor displays the result and a hypertension classification indicator. Press the start or stop button to turn off the device or wait for it to turn off automatically after 2 minutes of inactivity. To get the average of the last 3 readings and to scroll through the stored results, press the memory button. To delete all the results, long press the memory button while checking the records. If the monitor displays an error symbol, refer to the troubleshooting section of the manual. Remove the batteries from the monitor when not using it for an extended period. Dr. Morepen BP monitor. Simple, quick and accurate.